Alrighty, David, here's your 347 small block Ford gear description of this combination. It has got the Holley MPEFI manifold on it, Holley Terminator X fuel management, custom grind hydraulic roller, got the front sump oil pan, got the March Serpenetine belt, make sure the alternator charges for you. Go in there and make a run, see what she does, stay tuned. Dyno 3400, 398 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 410, peak horsepower 421, rated 425. It's got a front end that's about 15, so it runs good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things. See your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. I recommend watching it. On your engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. If you need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way to locate you. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That will take you to some more tech stuff. Have a great day.